Did you know that over 85% of households in the US have hard water? That is right. If you are in that group, your shower water could be wreaking havoc on your hair. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now to determine if your shower water is hard water, you can look for the following signs. 1. If your hair feels dry, frizzy, or brittle, it could be due to hard water. Excessive minerals in hard water weaken the hair shaft, leading to breakage. Hard water dries out your scalp, causing itchiness and flakiness. If you notice a waxy or greasy buildup on your scalp, it is due to minerals not rinsing away properly. 3. If your shampoo does not lather well, it might be due to hard water. Hard water makes it difficult for shampoos to foam up properly. 4. Check your shower head and other fixtures for white, chalky mineral deposits. This is a sign of hard water which can be harsh on your hair. 5. You can purchase a water hardness test kit to measure the levels of mineral content in your water. The other way is, testing the pH of your water can help as well. Water with a pH lower than 6.5 is considered acidic and can be harsh on hair. 6. If your dyed hair color fades quickly, it might be due to the water quality. 7. If possible, wash your hair in a place known to have soft water and observe the difference in how your hair feels afterward. Now that you have figured out your water condition, let's see what you can do. To minimize the side effects of hard water, you can consider the following steps. Step 1. Hard water shampoos are a type of clarifying shampoo that contains chelating agent. Chelating agents are ingredients that remove minerals and heavy metals. The most common chelating ingredient is EDTA or ethylenediamine tetracetic acid. EDTA and its salt variants were formulated to counteract hard water in the hair. STEP2. Water softeners reduce the hardness of water by removing or neutralizing the minerals, primarily calcium and magnesium. There are several types of water softeners you can consider. 1. Salt-based ion exchange softeners is the most common type of water softener. It works as using a resin bed filled with tiny beads coated with sodium or sometimes potassium ions. As hard water passes through the resin bed, the calcium and magnesium ions in the water are attracted to the beads and exchanged for sodium or potassium ions, washing away the hardness of water. Over time, the resin becomes saturated with hardness ions and needs to be regenerated. 2. Salt-free water conditioners. Unlike traditional softeners, salt-free conditioners do not remove hardness minerals but instead alter their chemical structure to prevent them from adhering to surfaces, called template-assisted crystallization (TAC). The minerals are converted into microscopic crystals that remain suspended in the water, preventing scale from forming on your hair or pipes, fixtures, and appliances. 3. Dual-tank water softener is a salt-based ion exchange system with two resin tanks instead of one. One tank is regenerating and the other is still in service, providing soft water continuously without interruption. For magnetic or electronic descalers are not traditional softeners but rather conditioners. They attach to the outside of your water pipes and use electromagnetic fields to alter the structure of the minerals calcium and magnesium in the water. 5. Reverse osmosis systems use a semi-permeable membrane to filter out a wide range of contaminants, including hardness minerals. 6. Portable or showerhead softeners. These are smaller, compact version of water softeners, often using similar ion exchange or filtration technologies. They are designed to be installed directly on showerheads. Each type of water softener has its strengths and is suited to different needs and preferences. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content.